Hi guys, Mab here and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to layer your ends, your side bangs, and your bangs as well. And it's going to be really quick and easy, so if you'd like to see how I did that, then keep on watching. If you'd like to see how I cut my hair straight, I'll put the links down below. And this is the before, where it's just really straight on the ends and especially on the sides. And even on the back as well. Just like this, and crooked, yeah, from the last cut. Now for the materials, we'll be needing scissors to cut our ends, bangs, and side bangs, a brush or a comb, 2 ponytails, or 3 or 4 if you have a really long hair. Again, scissors, don't forget that. Now for the layers, we'll be needing snipping scissors, okay? Now, if you do not have one, you can use the razors that you use for your eyebrows. That will do as well. Or still, if you do not have one of those, let's go old school and use a fine tooth comb and a blade. Okay? And I'll be showing you all 3 ways on how to layer your hair using all 3 of those. Okay? Now, for the first step, we will be tying our hair in a really high ponytail. Since I have a kind of short hair, well, I'll just be using 2 ponytails, flipping my hair down, brushing it down. Now, the nearer your ponytail is on the apex here of your head, the less your layers will be. And then the nearer it is to your forehead, the more layers you'll have on your hair, right? Now, as for me, I'm just gonna be tying it right above my apex, so because I just really want a really, subtle layer on my hair, just to give some body to it. Now, doing the second ponytail and just pulling it forward horizontally, okay? Now, do not pull your hair to your face so you can see that. Just flip it over to your face. That will do. Then just cut it straight. Now, it's very normal for the first cut to be really crooked because you actually cut a whole chunk of hair. So if you'd like to have it adjusted, you can cut it, snip it little by little. You can also turn it around to make sure that you got all sides straight, just like this. Take off your ponytails. And that's pretty much it for the ends, okay? And now we'll be doing our bangs. What we're gonna do is tie our hair again, just right about on the nape. Just tie it loosely with 1 ponytail, so you can bring down your previous bangs if you'd like to pattern it that way. Bring down all your bangs. Now be sure to be patient on this part, because if you will not be able to get this part right, just really getting all your bangs, separating your bangs from your long hair, the next step will be messed up, okay? And yeah, I admit it took me quite a while to actually get all of my bangs, my old bangs, and to keep it as even as possible. And yes, I know I did a really thick bangs. Combing it straight down, also on the insides, then flipping it twice only, okay? Hold it tight, do not pull it down, just, you know, keep it relaxed. Now, since I want my bangs to be just right above my eye, like right above my eyelashes, from my eyebrow to my eyelashes, I'll be cutting it straight up, like eye level. If it's a bit crooked, then just cut a bit more. But again, do not pull your bangs, okay? Or else it will be shorter than how it should be. And you wouldn't want that. Now just snipping it over with this scissors. And that should be all good. Now, if you're not yet satisfied with that and want to put more layers into it, you can use as well your snipping scissors. Just a bit more. Now, if you have your snipping scissors, you can use that as well. But do it little by little, okay? Because once you've already cut it, you can't go back. So just cut a little bit, then check it out if that's already what you want. And if it's not, then cut some more. Now just combing that down because we will now be taking care of our side bangs. Because my hair is really straight and flat and boring, and I would really love to put more layers to it. Now this time I'm going to be showing you how to use your fine-tooth comb and blade to layer your hair. It's always going to be the blade, the comb, and then your hair. Okay? Again, blade, comb, hair. Now just combing this down and separating the hair that I will not be cutting. Holding it firmly but not pulling it with my fingers. Now trying to decide on where I want the layers to start, and I think I want it right between my lips and my chin. So it's going to be the blade, the comb, and then your hair, okay? And basically comb it down. Then if you're not yet satisfied on how the layers went, then just cut some more. Now we're going to be doing the other side. Doing the same exact thing, holding it firmly with our fingers but not pulling it down. Again, the blade, the comb, and the hair, okay? The comb should be between the blade and your hair. And comb it down. And you can also use this for your bangs because it's still a bit straight than how I want it to be. I think that's good. I already like it that way. And that's it. Just be sure to, by the way, use sharp scissors and blades, because if not, if it's dull, you'll end up having split ends using those tools that you just used on your hair. So check that out, and if it's dull, just sharpen it or just get a new blade. And there you have it. Pretty happy with the result. And if you'd like to cut some more, it's just gonna be the same exact process, whatever length you want it to be, all right? And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Mav. You now have a good one. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.